Okay, this is Saturday, December 24th, 2013, in Bedford, Pennsylvania. And this is Karl F. Rose coming to you live from Bedford. And as you can see, the snow is coming down. And there's supposed to be something at the town square that's a couple blocks away. I'm going to try and walk there and see what happens. But as you can see, the conditions are pretty miserable, and if you don't have to be out in the weather, don't do it. But I'm going to come out. I'm just going to see what I can do and see what I can shoot. And I'll tell you, the wind is pretty damn cold. Okay, let me put my gloves back on. I can't set my camera gear with my gloves. Oh, okay. Gonna try and walk down here in this mess and see what we have here. Okay, the wind sucks. Okay. I was hoping to maybe get some stills down by the river, but I don't think I'm gonna be heading that far. I want to go around the corner here and see what the temperature is. I don't think it's too terribly cold. 2 days ago I think it was colder than this. I mean, it's certainly not warm. But I've been through certainly colder temps around here. We'll see in a minute when I go around the corner. But you can see that people are slipping and sliding. Cars are trying to maneuver. And but hey, this is why I moved here. For those that don't like it, well, move. Okay. Let's see what we got going here.
Nice day to get a picture.
Yeah, it is. Okay. I think they postponed everything today. We'll find out in a minute. We'll find out what the temperature is here in a minute too. Oh man! I should have worn my Michigan scarf. The snow is going down my shirt. Well, it's 27. And I think the wind chill has got to be worse. Where are we at here? Okay. I can't even see what I'm doing. Yeah, I think here's the town hall area. But it looks like all the festivities have been canceled due to inclement weather. But we'll see. Oh yeah. Yeah, everything was supposed to be here. Santa was supposed to be at that little square. There was an ice cutter. And for obvious reasons, they canceled it. But okay, no, I am not walking down to the river, and that's going to be it. Okay, let me see if I can get the actual. Oops, can't. Okay, I don't know. Yeah, there. Okay, it's 3 o'clock. 27 degrees. I don't know if I got that, but it's just all whiteout conditions here. So that's going to be it. I got to step up here and get out of this for a minute and get my bearings. Oh man, this is brutal. Ah, but I love it. Okay.